if you see me on the stage, you will jump from there.
I will see you that time. Go.
And your husband will be, oh. Then, what is nudity according to you? I think social media does not promote nudity. If someone is wearing short dress, what is the problem? You don't want to see, don't see. But actually, Article 21 allows us.
But
Who are you to say that it's wrong?
if our community
सजदे में सिर को झुकाया करो कि सजदे में सिर को झुकाया करो केप सर मैं भुला दिया no.
You never fell down?
No.
Okay, no problem.
Sir, I am very sincere girl.
You're sincere girl. This is called as conversational Q&A. It can be informal, it can be formal. It is simply a Q&A, conversational Q&A. You will simply have to tell your target, you will have to tell your hobbies, you will have to tell your qualities, and looking your expression, looking your communication, we will start asking question. Try to ease questions so that the speaker can easily answer you. If somebody who is really good communicator, you can ask tougher question as well. If there are some beginners, if they are going to come and sit down here, so try to ease your language so that he could answer quite easily. All right. So the next person who wants to come to the stage, may I know, please? Anju Daima. Please. All right, everybody. So in this conversational Q&A, I have my Didi with me. She is actually Anju Daima. Daima or Daima?
Anju Daima.
Daima. Oh, what is this? Anju Daima. Are you okay?
Yes sir.
Can you pronounce your name again?
Anju Daima.
Anju Daima. So Anju Daima, how many times do you cry within 24 hours? It's a Q&A actually, we have to ask, right?
I did not cry 20 hours here.
I know you don't cry 20 hours,
Huh.
but in 20 hours, how many times do you cry?
Because I came in Belto. I came Belto Institute that time. I was cry.
I was crying. 24 hours you were crying. Because of Will Talk you were crying.
Because of you.
And because of you now I'm going to close my coaching. If you go from here, I will stop my coaching.
No sir.
Yes, because I will cry for you.
Why did you cry?
Why?
For me.
No, I did not cry. I will cry.
What did you say? कहना क्या चाहते हो?
अरे, what did you say? कहना क्या चाहते हो? अरे ला, कहना ये चाहते हैं कि आपके जाने के बाद मानो ऐसा प्रतीत होगा कि यहाँ पे सब कुछ शमशान हो गया, सब कुछ खाली खाली से लगेगा और हम लोग सब एक एक बाल्टी आंसू भाग रोएंगे कि आहिरे मोरी दीदी कहाँ चली गई, अरे मोरी मैया ले आओ दीदी को। तो यही कहना चाहते हैं। तो प्लीज नेवर गो फ्रॉम हियर। यू आर एनर्जी ऑफ विल टॉक।
No sir, I will go my Rajasthan because I miss my Rajasthan or my energy is my Rajasthan.
But what about our energy? Your energy.
Sir.
Maya. You are Saya of Maya. Exactly.
Maya is my Saya, but
No, Maya is not your Saya. You are Saya of Maya.
हाँ sir. But at that time I need my at the time I want to fulfill my dream. I don't focus any person. At that time only for my focus. But I fulfill my dream. I fulfill my
So
dream.
your dream is, Maya?
Maya is my friend.
Okay.
But every person don't live with together. हमेशा के लिए तो एक दूसरे के साथ नहीं रह सकते ना. We cannot live together every time.
My God. You are absolutely right.
Yes, I am absolutely
No,
right.
no. My God. You know, you're very unique girl.
Yes, sir. Master also said. Yes, sir. Master also said me कि you are very unique girl.
Of course.
So my
You know-
sir, I have accepted because I'm very.
Acha, whatever master says, you accept. What I say, you don't accept.
But I have accepted. If my teacher said me, so I
Acha,
am
master is
accept.
your teacher. Capsule is not your teacher.
Kev's the second teacher, but my first teacher is master.
My goodness. What a good complaint. You know, whenever I go from here, master says that, okay, come on, sit in the car or sit on the bike. I say, no, I want to walk actually.
No.
Wait, let me complete my statement. So whenever I walk, I don't know why people start laughing at me. I walk just like my Didi actually.
I walked.
Just like this I walk. Right. So I walk like you actually on the road. So when I walk like you, everybody starts laughing. I don't know why.
But sir, your walk also me, like me.
My
That's
walking
why.
is like you.
हाँ.
That's why people laugh at me.
हाँ.
Oh, so I should not walk like you.
Sir, my walk is good.
But
I don't care people's. I care myself.
Arey baap re baap. You care yourself, right?
हाँ.
That's
Because of why take people's thinking for myself? Because of at the time I saw people's thinking.
Mike.
That time I don't live in this world.
Arey kasam se. Anju, you are really motivational speaker now. Exactly. You know, many
Sir,
people.
I want to share one shairi for you.
No, for people.
No, for you.
Should I write? Should I write?
Yeah,
Should I write?
sir, I have one quality shair.
Please.
Sir, don't see me. You did not show. You don't show. सजदे में सर को झुकाया करूं. सजदे में सर को झुकाया करूं. कि सजदे में सिर को झुकाया करूं.
अब सिर को या सर को?
सर,
सर मतलब मुझे, मैं सर हूँ ना.
सिर, sorry.
अच्छा ये वाला सिर.
अब मैं
ठीक,
प्लीज
sorry,
लेट मी
sorry.
कंप्लीट माय क्वेश्चन. सजदे में सिर को झुकाया करो. कि सजदे में सिर को झुकाया करो. केप सर मैंने भुला दिया.
अरे
डोंट सी मी.
अच्छा ठीक, सॉरी.
सजदे में सिर को झुकाया करो. तेरी बात केप सर की बातें यार मैं भूल गई. सर आई फॉर
नहीं नहीं शायरी, आई वांट शायरी. अदरवाइज आई कांट गो अहेड.
किसी के ठीक है बट आपके लिए नहीं. किसी
नहीं यही वाले
से
सर नहीं, सिर को झुकाया करो. आई वांट द सेम शायरी.
रिमेंबर प्लीज गिव मी 2 minutes.
You can take 2 minutes, no problem. So guys, here we have Anju Daima actually with us. Do you have any question to Anju Daima?
केप सर
Oh, you're afraid of Anju Daima, I think so. No. She's so dangerous, right?
because of you also
Arey, you
danger.
should You have to remember your lines.
हाँ.
Don't care here.
सजदों में सर को झुकाया करो. सर दूसरी बोलो.
बोल दीजिए दूसरी बोल.
किसी से दिल लगाना चाहिए था. किसी से दिल लगाना चाहिए था. किसी का दिल जलाना चाहिए था.
कहना क्या चाहती हैं?
आप सुनिए. किसी से दिल लगाना चाहिए था. किसी का दिल जलाना चाहिए था. हमारी आंखों में तो तुम बसते हो. तुम्हें तो डूब जाना चाहिए था.
अरे हमार दीदी, अरे हमार
आपके
दीदी.
लिए नहीं था वो.
तो किसके लिए था ये?
ये
अच्छा इन लोग के लिए था.
नो आप my future husband.
My future husband. Yo, she said before few days
Sir,
that I will never marry. Now you are dreaming for your marriage. How liar she
Let me
is.
complete.
How liar she is.
Let me complete my sentence. I said कि I will not get married because of I have lots of responsibility for me or I am not able to take responsibility. That's why I am saying if I am able to take responsibility, that time definitely I am get married.
Then I will
get married.
Oh, in future, if you are able to manage your responsibility, then you will get married.
हाँ,
With boy or girl? I'm sorry, I mean,
Of course,
Girl?
boy.
Acha, of course, boy. No, someone told that, you are ready to get married with a girl also. Because
Who's
you are a
saying?
boy. Someone told.
was saying?
Before you came here, someone said that you are lady, you are not lady.
Sir, you don't judge my wearing
No,
clothes.
I never judge. I never see your jeans.
So what did you judge for me?
I didn't.
Myself?
People did it.
Who is saying?
A person. Cameraman has said that. Okay, by the way, let's come to the point. Anjut, I have one more question actually, right? Once you said that you always spend time with babies actually, right? You never spend time with old person or young people. So that is why you are you're having childish nature. So what do you do with children? Can you please tell so that we also could spend time with children? So what do you do with children?
Because of first I was waiting 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. When 6 o'clock, that time I went to play cricket because I like cricket. But I was left cricket 12th class. हाँ, so हाँ तो फिर after that बस फिर after that sir.
My question is, what do you do with children?
हाँ.
You are saying I left my cricket.
सर क्रिकेट खेलती थी ना. ठीक है मैं बता रही हूँ. बताने पड़ेगा. I have to say.
Your brother is watching you.
Sir, because of I did not tell my brother your ID.
Your ID?
मतलब YouTube.
YouTube. I will send him directly link.
No sir. Because of you did not know. आपको नहीं पता.
You don't know.
You don't know.
What?
My brother's name. हाँ ठीक है. मेरा क्वेश्चन. हाँ तो first word I was waiting 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock and I went to my छोटा and बड़ा both are student and I play cricket.
I used to play.
I used to play cricket and kabaddi and
You used to play kabaddi.
we are
You also used to play.
and I'm included and running दौड़ बस that's why.
Acha, you used to spend time with children,
children.
for playing mostly, right? Okay. Have you ever fallen into gutter or not? Because with children sometimes we fall, right? I have fallen many times. Have you?
I fall.
Huh?
I have fall.
I have fallen.
Fallen. I have fallen. This person, if fallen, मतलब कर चुका है ना.
No. Have you ever fallen while playing? Somebody pushed you or you fell down in the gutter and you became Kali Kalauti actually, right? Are you in gutter?
No, sir. No.
You never fell down?
No.
Okay, no problem.
Sir, I am very sincere girl.
You're sincere girl. I'm very sincere girl. Why?
Sir.
It's okay.
Sir, serious में I am sincere girl.
Anju Daima, very important. I have one wish actually. I have one, wish. एक मेरी मनोकामना है.
Please
Can I
tell
tell
me. How you tell me?
Please, if you get married in future, please invite me.
I will not invite you.
So you will invite master, right?
हाँ, I will invite.
But you will not invite me.
I will not invite.
What is
you.
lafla with me actually? What is the problem with me?
I don't.
I want to meet my Jijaji, that's it.
But I will not meet my husband.
You will not meet?
नहीं.
What is this?
My husband will not meet you.
Why?
That's why.
My point, you did not listen my point, you always interrupt.
Because of. मैं जाऊँ? Sir, you may go find
I'm
me.
pretty sure that if we will come in your wedding, you will invite master, no problem. But behind or with master from backside, I will.
Suno, listen
I will
to
also
me.
come.
I will invite master. That time I asked you, sir, you will come, but you will not take माँ केफ sir.
नहीं.
लेके मत आना उनको.
But I will come, behind him I will come. And I know if you see me on the stage, you will jump from there.
I will see you that time. Go.
and your husband will be then go.
First off, I will not get married because of
You'll not
very. I will not get married.
Okay, thank you very much, Anjudaima. Very nice. बहुत खतरनाक personality. By the way, everybody, this was Anjudaima talking to us in this conversational Q&A. It was so lovely to have words with her. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite Mr. Anurag. Please come on stage. Hi, Mr. Anurag.
Hi, sir.
Do you know about Anurag Thakur?
Yes, sir, I know very well.
Who is he?
Currently, he Hamirpur Sansad, MP.
MP,
Yes, sir.
right? Do you follow him or not?
Yes, sir, I follow every politician, sir.
That's very nice. So you are interested in politics,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Very nice. Tell people all about yourself, your choice, your interest, everything.
Good evening to all of you. Myself, Anurag Yadav. I am from Gazipur. I have done my completed BTech from Punjab.
डन आ रहा है तो completed नहीं आएगा.
I have done BTech from Punjab Technical University, Kapurthala, Jalandhar, and currently here I learning English.
I
I am learning English.
Good. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
You are just like this.
No, sir.
Like you have to run away from here, right? So you have done graduation.
Yes, sir.
In which stream have you done?
Civil engineering.
Civil engineering. So you are engineer right now.
Yes, sir, as you can say.
Oh, very nice. So how do you see yourself after few years? Like before few days I was sitting with you, you were telling me that I was very curious. You were very curious to be the part of army. But because of some reason,
Yes,
actually
sir.
you couldn't go and you don't want to go actually. So what was your dream and what is your dream actually?
I have many dreams.
I am married?
I have many dreams.
Oh,
sir.
sorry.
Yes.
I have many dreams.
Yes, sir.
Oh, my goodness. Multiple dreams you have.
But currently only for focus on engineering services.
Okay, I'm focusing.
Focusing on engineering services.
Good.
Like AE, JE, and railway engineer. Like this type of.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You know, last year more than 4,000 engineers were unemployed, having studied in a reputed colleges.
Yes, sir.
So don't you feel kind of hopeless? Don't you feel kind of pessimistic after listening this
No,
kind
sir.
of news?
He has no skills.
Oh,
That's why he are unemployed, sir.
my goodness.
Yes, sir.
But looking the infrastructure in India,
Yes, sir.
Don't you think that we are lacking infrastructure in this country and there is really unemployment in this country?
Yes, sir. I am talking about only for civil engineering.
Oh.
Civil engineers. Sir, I think, sir, in India, sir, there are lots of civil engineers, sir. Also, civil engineer never, sir, unemployed.
They are never unemployed.
They never employed, sir.
Beautiful.
Because, sir, many, sir, opportunity in civil engineering, sir.
Very nice. What does your father do?
Sir, he's Indian Army.
Wow, very nice.
Yes, sir.
So I think because of nepotism, you should be the part of army actually, right?
No, sir.
Just have some source power actually, right?
No, sir.
You can't go for that. Do you want to go or not? If you get opportunity to go, will you go or not? If unfortunately or you know,
Right now, sir, I never go.
means you don't have any desire to go.
Yes, sir.
My
Right now.
goodness, no problem.
Yes, sir.
So how much money are you expecting to be a civil engineer?
In fresher,
As a fresher, yeah?
as a fresher, sir, 40,000.
40,000
Yes,
rupees.
sir, as a fresher.
So in this inflation or in this expensive era, do you think that 40,000 rupees is
No, sir.
quite enough?
No, sir. Because, sir, in civil lines, sir, 40. Because, sir, in civil engineering, sir, many, sir, companies are solicit, sir, experienced persons. So I am fresher. I joined any company, sir. That's on that time, sir. I am fresher. That's why, sir, he paying only for 40K.
That's fine. Very
Yes,
nice.
sir.
So, Mr. Anurag, here you are in Real Talk and you are developing your communication skill.
Yes, sir.
There are so many activities. Which one do you like more? Like debate one, presentation one, public speaking, or which one do you like more?
Debate, public speaking, and, sir, like this.
Like this
Yes, sir.
Q&A.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any desire to be asked any question by them? Do you want public to ask any question to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And is there anybody who wants to ask any question?
Hello, good evening, bro.
and good evening.
I want to know from you, why did you choose civil engineering?
In my village and my societies, there is no civil engineer. That's why I choose civil engineering. And civil engineering, there are lots of opportunities. Okay, in India and foreign. And foreign, there are lots of opportunity like Gulf countries and Australia, US. That's why I choose civil engineering. And civil engineering, I think, is a very good stream as compared to other streams, because civil engineers job in civil engineering and other streams like IT sectors. Okay, that's why I choose civil engineering. I have chosen civil engineering.
All right. All right, Mr. Anurag, nice to talk to you, and best of luck to be a good engineer and serve this nation. Please have a seat. Very nice.
Myself, Mohammad Shaukat. I am from Bihar, Purnia district.
Be more happy. Be more happy.
Yeah, I have completed Islamic language. I have completed my education in Islamic line, and right now I am here to improve English.
To improve English. Very nice. So, Mr. Shaukat, you have done Hafiza?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now you are learning English language, right?
Yes, sir.
What will be your implementation after developing your communication? I mean, what will you do? What is the use of learning?
Yeah, use of learning. I am learning English, sharing of my thoughts. In my community, I will do something. I want to do something in future for my country, for my community. So this reason I can share my thoughts many people by this language.
Oh, that's fine.
Because Urdu language and Hindi language is limited language only for India, and Urdu language most of Muslims only know. But if we want to share our thoughts, our opinions, so that time any global language is compulsory for every person to share our thoughts.
Yeah, but you said that I want to convey my thought in my community, right?
Community also, our country also, for my country also.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
Means you want to expand your knowledge, you want to spread your
Yeah.
knowledge, you want to go and convey your views and thoughts with those people who are from your community, right?
Yes.
Why only your community?
No,
Why not
no,
other
it's
community?
I didn't say for only my
You
community.
said that I
Yes.
want to convey my views.
I also said for my country also.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah.
One message that you want to convey right now for youths. Yani, what is Yani
Yeah,
actually? Right?
it means this time it means every person, every youth he spend his time. They spend their times in wrong way. So I should I want to say them that we must spend our time in a better way, and we must think about our future, and we do like that. We want to like like that. We doing right now anything, so we should think about our future.
Right. According to you, which work is wrong according to you? Which the youth does and you think that this is very wrong? What is that?
Wasting of time, it's very
Like where? Like what? Give one example. They're doing this and that is wrong.
this time many youths, they spend their times with living with girl.
What is
Like-
wrong with that?
It's wasting of time, sir.
No, not at all.
Wasting of time.
If a boy is with a girl, maybe girl can be motivation for him. Just like Shah Rukh Khan. You can't say all the time that being with girl and being with boy is wrong thing.
And also, after that also, sir, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook.
What's wrong with that? There are so many people that
It's
famous.
reels, we say on mobile only reels. It's very it's
See, why will you say that it is a
no
wasting of
any
time?
advantage, no use
Why
of
not?
any.
Many
No,
people are earning money by DM, by promotion. They are earning money by Instagram. I myself
but
earn money.
by spreading illegal things in our society, any nudity and
What is nudity according to you? I think social media does not promote nudity. If someone is wearing short dress, what is the problem? You don't want to see, don't see. But actually, Article 21 allows us.
But
Who are you to say that it's wrong?
if our community in society spreaded nudity, who is responsible for this?
If you don't want to see that nudity, don't see. But I want to see, I will see that. If I want to see, for example, there are so many actresses, there are so many actors, they are showing nudity. If I want to, I will go. Do you drink wine or not?
Sir, we can't
Do you drink
control.
wine or not?
No.
No. So you will not go at Theka, at Sharab ki dukaan, you will not go because you don't drink. If someone drinks, he will go. So in our market, there are so many shops. There are shops of milk as well. There are shops
First-
of wine as well. If I want, I will go for that.
And if there that thing is not made, so that time any person don't to go there
Where?
for drink or for scrolling for nudity.
Everything is made for a reason, sir.
Reason-
Everything is made for a reason.
Reasons are, but most of people this time only scroll mobile for enjoyment.
Imagine
Yeah,
this is rose, okay?
Yes.
And I love this rose.
yeah.
I love this rose.
Yeah.
Wow, it smells beautiful, right? Should I pluck it?
No, sir. It